Progression. The sequence that follows a certain pattern is called progression. What is arithmetic progressions? An arithmetic progression, AP, is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the preceding term, except the first term a. The fixed number d is called its common difference. The general form of an AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, etc. The fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. It can be positive, negative, or zero. A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, ... represents an arithmetic progression, where a is the first term and d the common difference. This is called the general form of an AP. Finite arithmetic progressions. There are only a finite number of terms, e.g., a, the heights in centimeters of some students of a school standing in a queue in the morning assembly are 147, 148, 149, ... 157. B, the balance money in R after paying 5% of the total loan of R1000 every month is 950, 900, 850, 800, ... 50. Infinite arithmetic progressions. There are not a finite number of terms. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. The nth term, an, or the general term of an AP, is an equals a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. If there are m terms in the AP, then am represents the last term, which is sometimes also denoted by L. The sum, Sn, of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn equals n half 2a plus n minus 1d. If L is the last term of an AP of n terms, then the sum of all the terms can also be given by Sn equals n half a plus L. Sometimes Sn is also denoted by S. If Sn is the sum of the first n terms of an AP, then its nth term an is given by an equals Sn minus 1.